It's hardly 7 kilometers from Laxman Jhula. So I suggest whenever you are in Rishikesh, first visit this place.
Good morning guys, this is Mahi from Tripaholic Indian. It's 7:30 am in the morning and I am in Rishikesh. This is the track route for Patna Waterfall, which is 1.5 kilometers far away from this point. This waterfall is located at Patna village, which is on Neelkanth Temple Road.
So this is a small child haba. It's just near to this waterfall. So guys, you can see the trail. So it's good trail if someone is interested in hiking or the trekking, so they can enjoy this track. So this jungle comes under Rajaji National Park, so you will definitely enjoy. This is a cave.
This waterfall is also famous for limestone caves.
You can see this trail, so it might be risky, so I suggest whoever is coming here, so use rubber sole, a slipper or shoe, or a proper trekking shoe. As you can see me, I'm at Patna Waterfall. This is 7 kilometers far from Laxman Jhula market. So we started at 6:30 from there and we walked. So it took approx 2 hours to reach here. So as you can see, Where are you, Mahi?
I am also here. Yeah.
One thing I must say, this is one of the beautiful waterfall in Rishikesh, which is 50-meter tall and worth to visit. So guys, whenever next time you are in Rishikesh, do visit this place.